Hello and welcome back to our programming series. Today I will show you how you can use a custom font in your iOS application. The choice of a good readable font is important to give your application a unique look and feel. The font used in the example is just an example. Let's get started. When you create a new iOS project using swiftUI, you get a default content view looking like this one. To use a custom font in your application, you need to take a couple of steps which are shown now. First, you need to download the font files. In this example we use Google Fonts as a resources and to download one. After the download, you add the font file or files to your project. Make sure you select the checkbox Add to Targets. In the Info property list, you have to add the key fonts provided by the application, which is an array, and you add the font file names with the extension. In this example we only have one file, but your font can have multiple files. Check under Build Phases if the font file or files are shown under the Copy Bundled Resources section. If they are not showing, add them manually. Now let's do some coding. Create a new Swift file and name it Custom Font Modifier, or choose a name you like better. This structure inherits from View Modifier, and in its body it is using the content tag to set the font with the name of your font file without the extension. Next, you also write an extension of type view in which you add two functions. One is the custom font function, which is using your custom font with a default size of 20, and a second function named custom font with size, which accept a size parameter. That's it. You are now ready to use your custom font view modifier. You can use the default size or use the custom font with size modifier, as you can see in the example. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and spread the word.